Is your Canon PIXMA printer showing error E04 or E05? Don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, turn off your printer and unplug it. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes before restarting.
Now turn it back on and open the front cover. Wait until the cartridge holder stops moving.
Gently remove both ink cartridges. Check for dust, damage, or ink buildup. Use a soft, dry cloth to clean the copper contacts on the cartridges and inside the printer. Close the cover and let the printer reset itself. If the error still appears, perform a hard reset. Hold the stop button, then press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Issue continues. Try replacing the cartridge with a genuine Canon one. And that's it. Your Canon PIXMA printer should now be working perfectly.
Like this video, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop your printer model in the comments if you need help.